Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sarah Siddiqui and I am a student of psychology. Today, my topic of discussion is perception. Perception means taking in, picking, organizing, and understanding sensory information. Look at this picture. The two balls, red and dark blue, are looking much bigger than the light blue one when they come nearer to the person's eye. Same situation occurs with the light blue ball. However, in real, all the three balls are of same size, but the difference is in their distance. The nearer ball look much bigger than the far one. It is impossible to explain perceptual organization without Gestalt law. So take a look on Gestalt psychology. It focuses on how our mind organizes and interprets visual data and emphasizes that the whole of a thing is greater than its part. When the casual use we use to distinguish figure from the ground are absent, we may shift back and forth between the different views of the same figure. In this picture, you will see either a vase or a profile of two people. Now I'm explaining the laws of Gestalt psychology. This figure illustrates the law of similarity. Elements that are similar in appearance we perceive as grouped together. We see horizontal rows of black circles and white circles alternatively rather than the vertical columns. The next law of Gestalt is proximity. Elements that are placed closer together are perceived as being more related than those spaced far apart. Following picture demonstrate the law of closure. We usually grouped elements closer together to form an enclosed or complete figure rather than the open ones. Here you will see two triangles with a three circle. However, it can also be viewed as three Pac-Mans and three arrowheads. Finally, in a general sense, the overriding Gestalt principle is simplicity. When we observe a pattern, we perceive it in a most basic, straightforward manner that we can. For example, most of us see the following figure as a square with the lines on the two sides rather than a black block letter W on the top of the letter M. If we have a choice of interpretation, we generally opt for the simpler ones. After explaining Gestalt law, moving ahead towards perceptual constancy, which is the tendency to perceive objects as constant even though our perception of the object changes. Look at this door. The size and shape of the second and third figure of the door seems to be changing from the first one, but in real you already know that its size remains constant whether you open it or close it. Same as in this case, where the far lines of the pathway railway track seems to be converging and becoming shorter than the nearest ones. These illusions are the physical stimulus that constantly produces error in our perception. Thank you.